Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing my 2020 Halloween clean and decorate with you guys. This video is always so much fun for me. It's such a change in like the everyday decor that I'm putting up. It's, obviously spooky and just so different. And also my son always loves getting involved in this video. He loves taking out the Halloween decor and asking to put everything in his room. Today's video is also in collab with Kristen L. Home here on YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself here.
Hi, I'm Kristen from Kristen L. Home. I am a mom of 2 boys and I am a working mom from Southern California. I have a cleaning channel and I am posting a ton of clean and decorate with me. So I hope that you will come and check me out after Tristina Rose's video.
I'm going to go ahead and link her channel down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check out her video when you're done here for some more Halloween inspiration. So before we get into the decorating, I am just going ahead and taking everything out and putting it on my dining room table. I always love doing this because it makes decorating so much easier for me when you can see everything that you have laid out right in front of you. And I'm also going to go ahead and start on my hutch like I always do. If you are a regular here, then you would know that literally every decorating video I start off on my hutch because it's just the biggest piece in my house. It's the focal piece and I love being able to decorate that area first and then take whatever I have left over and incorporate that in the rest of my house. So I didn't take everything down before I started decorating because I always tell myself that I'm going to just incorporate pieces and not change everything out. And every single time I lie to myself because I always end up taking everything off. But it's actually kind of cool to watch the transition from the fall decor into the Halloween decor. It seriously is such a different look. So I thought that was fun to watch. But anyways, I also wanted to take a minute to say if you're new here, hi and welcome. My name's Tristina and I post mommy and lifestyle videos every Monday and Friday. And I also try to post on Wednesdays as well. I just don't like to guarantee that day because as a stay-at-home mom of 2 little boys, life can just get crazy and hectic. And that way I am not promising something that I can't guarantee I will be able to do. So you can look forward to new videos every Monday and Friday and occasional bonus videos on Wednesdays or even other days of the week. But if you guys are into home decor, hauls, recipe videos, basically everything that has to do with being a homemaker and a mother, then make sure you press that subscribe button to become part of my YouTube family. I would seriously love to have you guys. And if you love the Halloween decor videos, I'm actually going to be having a porch decor video go up next week, as well as my Halloween home tour, which I'll explain where everything's from and give big overviews of the house in that video as well. And don't forget to introduce yourself in the comments down below if you do decide to stick around, because I love getting to know you guys and I love recognizing people who come back often and who are constantly commenting. It truly means so much to me. So I love just, putting a name to the comment. So you're going to notice when I decorate, I do a lot of switching things up. I don't go into these videos knowing exactly what I'm going to do. I try and envision things beforehand, but I don't actually go through and set things up and, know exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm always changing things up and you see that in my video as well, but it's definitely just part of the process of decorating. Also, I didn't do a Halloween decor haul this year, and that is because I really didn't get any new pieces. Almost everything you see is from last year or previous years. However, anything new that I did get came from the Target dollar spot, and I just wanted to point this out because you can seriously decorate on a budget, you guys. The Target dollar spot always has such great items. Everything else that I have basically came from Target on clearance, or I did do a haul last year from Joann's and TJ Maxx, where I definitely spent a little bit more money, but you don't have to, is the point I'm getting at. You're gonna see I decorate a lot with bats throughout the house. The bats are so inexpensive and they make such a difference, and some other things you'll see throughout the video as well. There's just so many ways you can decorate without having to spend a ton of money. I love this little cauldron. I picked this up from Walmart. I think it was $7. And then I also got a pack of the 98-cent spider web and put that in there to try and make it look like, you know, a potion was coming out of it to make it look more alive. And then I also went ahead and added some spiders as well, because the black on the white always just looks so nice. That's why I love sticking to black and white decor, because I have so much white in my house, and then just a few pops of orange throughout it. My parents bought both of my boys their Halloween costumes, and Brayden was very excited to put his on as soon as he got it, and he wanted to show you guys that he's gonna be an army man for a Halloween. He has been wearing this thing around since he got it. He's obsessed with it. Like I said, you're gonna see me adding bats around the whole house, so the hutch here is just the beginning of the bats. But I got my bats from Amazon. I think they were like $7, and then I also got some more from Walmart. They had them for, I believe, 97 cents. However, there wasn't as many in there. And then I also went ahead and traced some onto black construction paper, which, to save even more money, you could just go ahead and find a bat printout and print that out right at home and trace them on black construction paper and spend practically no money other than the construction paper, which you probably already have in your house. So that is another very inexpensive way to decorate, and seriously, you're gonna see that these are everywhere. I'm obsessed with them. I love the way they look, and it's just a plus that they are super cheap. Moving into my kitchen, I am so excited to decorate my kitchen for Halloween this year. If you're new here, I recently painted my kitchen cabinets white. I have a video on that. I will link it down below if you're interested in maybe painting your own cabinets. But we actually are, when I am posting this video, celebrating our 2-year anniversary in our very first house. So painting the cabinets white was kind of like our only really big home project that we've done so far, and it just made such a difference. I don't know, it just made such a difference, and with the Halloween decor, it really pops off the white, so I was super excited to decorate in here for Halloween this year. Now let's talk about my little Rae Dunn bowls I have here. I wanted to show you guys that all I am using to layer my bowls underneath my KitchenAid is like the planter foam, I guess, that you would get from the Dollar Tree. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's in like the faux plant section where you would make different floral arrangements. And I just got the circle foam pieces and I piled them up. I stacked them in twos and put them under each bowl, and I think it gives it the perfect height where you can still close your KitchenAid and still see the words. Let me just also say, if you're new here, then you wouldn't know I'm always doing late night voiceovers. It's currently almost 1 a.m. 1 a.m. the day that this video is getting posted, I guess you'd say, because this video is going to go live in 8 hours. And I'm just finishing up my voiceover now. Voiceovers are only possible for me at nighttime because, 3-year-old who's at home and a 7-month-old baby who does nap, but the 3-year-old doesn't nap. So gotta work with what we got, and that's late nights. So that's why I sound so tired and I could just ramble on forever. It's because I'm getting that second wind of energy while I'm filming this. I am always using my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider multi-surface spray in all of my fall and Halloween videos because I'm obsessed with the scent. So this is all you'll ever see me using unless I'm using like a specialty product. Like in my sink, I used my Grove all-purpose, just kidding, my Grove glass cleaner. And I always have my Grove link down below as well for you guys, so you can get a free Mrs. Meyer's set right now. Oh my goodness, you guys, I really can't talk. I need sleep. You can get a free set if you order through my link, which is always in my description box. Anyways, moving into my living room, I'm gonna start above my TV and put up my very favorite sign. I splurged on this sign, I won't lie. I actually got it last year around my birthday time. My birthday's in July, and the site, I can't remember what site it is. I'm going to try and find it and link it below for you guys. They released it right around my birthday, so I was like, you know what? I'm splurging and getting this for myself. It's a Hocus Pocus sign that I am obsessed with. And then I decided to take my planners down this year, which was a new look. I'm always trying to change up my looks for you guys. And added these dollar spot brooms instead, and I really love the feel it gave it with the Hocus Pocus sign and the brooms. I just thought it all flowed super nicely. are now 16 minutes into this video, so if you've made it this far, then you are an MVP. You're one of my favorite viewers, and I would love to know if you made it this far, so don't forget to comment down below with the ghost emoji. I just wanted to point out all the toys in the background. That is just a part of my life. The house did get completely cleaned on this night, but I didn't realize until right now when I'm editing that I forgot to get overview clips of all the rooms. So you guys will have to come back for my house tour, which will be next week, either Wednesday or Friday. I'm aiming for Wednesday, but I think it'll probably end up going on Friday, because if you watched my last year's Halloween house tour, then you would know I like to do a spooky, fun house tour, really get in the Halloween mood, and my niece helps me, so it might not be able to be up until next Friday when she gets to come back. But so that's why there's toys everywhere. It's because, you know, my kids really are living here while I'm decorating. This little centerpiece, I wanted to point this out because another great inexpensive way to add a look to your Halloween decor. I went outside and found a branch and added it into a vase I had, and then went ahead and added some more of the bats. The bats are everywhere, you guys, but I love the way this looks. It gives such a spooky feel, and it literally cost me nothing because it was all stuff I already had. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We are coming to an end here with the decorating. I decorated other areas as well, but I like to save some things for the house tour, and I'm gonna save the overview, I guess, this time for the house tour as well. So make sure you come back for that next week. Make sure you subscribe and make sure your bell notifications turned on so you get notified. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means so much to me. Don't forget to check out Kristen's channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.